The United States government has issued a practice/demo warning for the following counties or areas. United States, at 4:17 p.m. on November 3, 2025, effective until 4:47 p.m. Message from iPodcap. This is a test of the emergency alert system. The tones you just heard were a test of the emergency alert system and specific area message encoding technology. There is no emergency at this time. The emergency alert system is a national warning system in the United States designed to allow authorized officials to broadcast emergency alerts and warning messages to the public via cable, satellite and broadcast television, and FM and satellite radio. All broadcast television, broadcast and satellite radio stations, as well as multi-channel video programming distributors, are required to participate in the system. If this had been an actual emergency, important news, information, or instructions would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.